Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having issues with Microsoft Edge, not displaying web pages or text correctly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in apps and features. Best match should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. In the apps list field, go ahead and search for Edge. Best match will come back on Microsoft Edge. Go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to it and select the Modify button. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And then where it says Repair Microsoft Edge, repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser's data and settings won't be affected. Select the Repair button. Okay, so hopefully once it relaunches Microsoft Edge, you should be good to go. One final thing you can attempt here as well, if you open up the search menu and type in CMD, best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now you want to go ahead and type in SFC followed by a space / scannow. Scannow is all one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to help resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.